Welcome back to DRIMHOM. Today, we're touring a collection of 100 incredible upcycled barbecue ideas for your backyard garden. Every concept shows how recycled materials can transform your outdoor cooking into an unforgettable garden feast. Let's begin the tour. Our tour opens with 20 ingenious ways to craft custom barbecue grills and smokers from upcycled steel and iron. Watch how steel oil drums, car wheel rims, and stainless steel washing machine drums are reborn into glowing charcoal grills and smoky fire pits. From shopping cart barbecues and filing cabinet smokers to portable toolbox grills, these creative designs prove that turning scrap metal into functional outdoor cooking gear brings bold industrial style to your backyard garden. In our second segment, we explore clever outdoor kitchen islands and dining tables crafted from salvaged materials. Large wooden cable spools become spacious round dining hubs, while concrete cinder blocks and reclaimed wood boards form sturdy kitchen prep stations. See how old wooden doors, wheelbarrows, and folded pallets are converted into rustic food prep bars and spice racks, creating an organized, welcoming backyard patio for summer grilling. Moving into our third chapter, we focus on keeping drinks icy cold and barbecue accessories perfectly organized. Repurposed wheelbarrows, stacked car tires, and vintage galvanized wash tubs become festive outdoor drink coolers filled with ice. Wall-mounted wooden bottle openers, upcycled jar holders, and clever pallet cup racks make serving guests effortless, ensuring your backyard garden party stays refreshing and neatly arranged. Our fourth segment brings warmth and cozy atmosphere to the garden. Vintage forks bent into tool hooks, tennis racket hangers, and washing machine log bins keep all your grilling equipment nearby. As evening falls, glass wine bottle torches, tin can lanterns, and pallet lounge chairs illuminate the backyard patio with an enchanting golden glow, turning your outdoor barbecue area into the ultimate evening retreat. Finally, our last 20 ideas deliver pure imagination and show-stopping creativity. Marvel at a vintage wooden rowboat transformed into a complete barbecue island, an iconic red telephone booth turned into a glass smokehouse, and a classic VW Beetle hood flipped into an outdoor grill. From piano prep bars and tractor engine smokers to cement mixer charcoal cookers, these wild upcycled designs turn any backyard into an extraordinary outdoor entertainment paradise. Thank you for exploring these 100 creative upcycled barbecue ideas with DRIMHOM. Which eco-friendly grilling feature would you love to build in your own backyard? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home and garden inspiration. See you next time.